Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. On today's video, I'm gonna show you this glittery smoky eye. This is super easy and classy. So without wasting time, let's get started. I already moisturized my skin. Today I'll do my eye makeup first. So I'm just priming my forehead and eyes. And I'm using Maybelline 24K Gold Gel Base Primer. Off camera, I did my eyebrows and applied eye base. So first, taking Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Gel Liner, I'm applying on my eyelid. Then I'm taking this black color blend from Makeup Revolution 32 eyeshadow palette and applying on the gel liner. Then using a blending brush, I'm blending its edges. Then using this color Burn It, I'm blending black eyeshadow edges. Then I'm highlighting my brow bone using this color Kisses. Now I'm applying Swiss Beauty Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow 06 on the eyelid. Then using a flat eyeshadow brush, I am evenly spreading on my eyelid. Then again using the color blend, I am blending its edges. Now using a wet tissue, I am cleaning the under eye area. Now I am applying MAC Strobe Cream Gold Light all over my face. Now for foundation, I am using MAC Studio Fix Fluid NC25 and applying all over my face. Then using a damp beauty blender, I am blending this all. Now for concealer, I am using MAC Studio Conceal and Correct palette medium and applying this color under my eye area, around nose and around lips. Then again blending this all. Now to set this all, I am using MAC Prep Plus Prime Transparent Finishing Powder. Then using the gel liner, I am tightlining my waterline. Then I am applying blend on my lower lash line. Now to contour my face, I am using MAC Studio Fix Powder NC46 and applying on my cheekbone, on my hairline, on jawline, and on nose. Then for blush, I am using Benefit Cosmetics California Sunny Golden Pink Blush. Then using Burn It, I am blending lower lash line. Now I am highlighting my inner corner using this color Kisses. I am also highlighting my face using the same color Kisses. Now for lips, I am using MAC Matte Lipstick Mahir. Then blending it using a lipstick brush. Then applying a brown lip liner on the edges. Then applying lip gloss. So here is the final look. Wetty glittery smoky eye. Please let me know how is this look by commenting down. If you like this video, then please give a big fat thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. So see you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.